What's up, guys? Mark here at Wired Customs. We have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We are adding a Stinger HEIGH10. We're going to do a surface mount on it. Front speakers, we're doing Morel Maximo 6.5s components. And in the rear overhead, we're doing Morel Maximo 6.5-inch coaxes. For amplification, we're using a DD Audio D4.75. It's a 300 watt 4-channel, which is perfect for the average customer that wants it nice. We have the crossovers hidden way up in this panel here. That way they can be away from any water or any type of elements. The 4-channel is going underneath the passenger seat there. The HEIGH10 is, like I stated, is going to be surface mounted to the actual panel, and it should just clear his air vents, and he will have more control over the car than what the factory will allow. If you have time, go to Stinger's webpage and look at the Wrangler kits, and it will go over all the extra functions that the Stinger HEIGH10 will allow that the factory from Jeep does not give you the option to. Like, it'll show you components for the suspension. It will display a tachometer that is digital. It'll of course show you your tire air pressure. There's a lot of stuff in there that it will now display to the screen. You can clear check engine codes. It'll tell you what the check engine code is, not anything that the factory offers in its radio. The stereo is $899. If you do want the flush mount kit, I believe it is $550. And of course, there's labor and other parts there that have to be added. If you guys have any questions, please visit wiredcustomsmotorsports.com.